Description: a power dose of hydration, strength, and repair for coarse, unruly, fragile or damaged hair. Benefits: great for anyone looking for a luxuroius repatative shampoo that is safe for daily use. Suggested use: massage into wet hair. Rinse. Philosophy: the ingredients. The R+Co BLEU collection is formulated with the highest performance non-toxic ingredients to produce superior results, leaving hair healed, restored and luxuriously transformed. The formulas are uncompromising, results-driven and created for consumers who care for their hair. All products are color-safe and provide UV and heat protection. The sustainably minded, environmentally conscious formulations are vegan and cruelty-free, and do not contain gluten, parabens, sulfates, mineral oil or petrolatum. Sustainability. Blue is green. R+Co BLEU is proud to make a lasting commitment to our environment and to our consumers with cutting-edge packaging that is both recycled and recyclable, creating a continuous cycle of sustainability. The brand is founded upon the guiding principle that luxury today is defined by unparalleled quality and performance. A cornerstone one of the company's philosophy is its commitment to using post-consumer resources (PCR). This includes recovering plastics and single-use components once the initial lifecycle has been completed. Top reviews from the United States. I like the way it made my hair feel. It feels really nice to use. I did feel the scent was a little too strong for me. It smells like men cologne a lot. I did feel it cleaned very well and left my hair feeling soft. I only used the shampoo, but I'm sure using the combination of shampoo and conditioner together would have been so much better.